Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to possibly fix your analog stick drift on your Xbox One controller without opening it up. Now, this method is going to pretty much just remove any kind of dust or debris that may have formed. Maybe you got some Cheetos or Mountain Dew you spilled in your controller, and you simply just want to blow it off the sensors. Now, what you can do is try rotating the thumbsticks around just like this. Do it 30 times to the right, 30 times to the left, and then push it in kind of hard, and then pop it out, just like this. And do this multiple times, like 10 times each, just to make sure. Now, you could try some compressed air like this, and then you could just move the thumbstick to the right or the left, and just blow in the sides here, so air gets pushed into your controller. So we just do this, and just blow it in there real well. And then rotate it to the other direction and try getting air into the other way. And this typically is what helps me, and this won't be necessarily a permanent fix, but it will definitely help for a couple weeks or maybe just a few sessions. Otherwise, you could try blowing with your mouth in here. Just go. Just get a really good blow. If this video did indeed help you out, if it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.